What if I told you the 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 might be one of the most advanced trucks Chevrolet has ever built, but also one of the most frustrating to own if you're not prepared? Imagine spending over $50,000 on a brand new truck, and within months you're dealing with software glitches, electrical gremlins, unexpected transmission behavior, or worse, expensive out-of-warranty repairs. Is the 2027 Silverado 1500 actually reliable? Today we're breaking down the real-world problems owners are likely to face, and more importantly, how to prevent or solve them before they cost you thousands. Here's the good news. Most of the potential issues with the 2027 Silverado 1500 are not catastrophic, but they are predictable. And when problems are predictable, they're preventable. If you're considering buying one or already own one, this video could save you serious money. By the end of this video, you'll know whether the Silverado 1500 is right for you, which trim and powertrain to choose, and exactly how to own it the smart way. Let's break it down.
One of the most common complaints in modern full-size trucks, including recent Silverado models, has been inconsistent transmission behavior. Drivers report delayed throttle response, hard downshifts, gear hunting at low speeds, and jerky movement in traffic. Why does this happen? Because modern trucks like the 2027 Silverado 1500 are tuned for fuel economy first. The 10-speed automatic constantly searches for the most efficient gear. Combine that with turbocharged engines and complex torque management, and sometimes the system overthinks. Now here's the solution. First, always check for TCM software updates. Over-the-air updates may fix shift mapping. Second, reset adaptive learning after major updates. Dealers can recalibrate transmission behavior. Third, if you tow frequently, use tow and haul mode consistently. It stabilizes shift logic and reduces clutch wear. And finally, change transmission fluid earlier than the factory interval if you tow or drive aggressively. Transmission issues aren't always failures. Often, they're calibration problems.
The 2027 Silverado 1500 features a massive digital interface powered by GM's latest software platform. The more digital a truck becomes, the more it behaves like a smartphone on wheels. Owners may experience frozen screens, backup camera delay, Bluetooth connectivity drops, and random system reboots. Here's the psychological trap. When technology fails in a truck, it feels worse than mechanical failure, because it makes the vehicle feel unreliable. Now, the solution. First, keep automatic updates enabled. Many bugs are resolved via OTA patches. Second, perform a full system reset after major updates. Third, avoid installing aftermarket electrical accessories improperly. Poor grounding can trigger software instability. And most importantly, check battery health regularly. Low voltage causes ghost electronic issues more often than people realize. Modern trucks demand stable voltage. Many Silverado 1500 engines use cylinder deactivation technology for fuel savings. On paper, it's brilliant. Deactivate cylinders when cruising, save gas. But over long-term ownership, issues may include lifter failure, oil consumption, rough transition between 4 and 8 cylinders. Here's the smart ownership strategy. If you plan to keep your truck long-term, use high-quality full synthetic oil. Shorten oil change intervals to 5,000 miles. Avoid cheap oil filters. If towing often, consider disabling AFM with approved tuning solutions where legal. Preventive maintenance is cheaper than engine rebuilds. The 2027 Silverado 1500 includes multiple control modules, advanced driver assist systems, camera systems, remote start, and connected services. Modern trucks don't sleep, they stay partially awake. Over time, owners may experience dead batteries, random warning lights, intermittent sensor errors. Solution? Replace the battery proactively every 3 to 4 years. Use AGM batteries if equipped. Avoid leaving the truck parked for weeks without a trickle charger. And scan for parasitic draw if issues begin early. Electrical problems in modern trucks are often voltage-related, not component failure.
Even though the truck is built tough, wear accelerates fast under load. Common issues include premature ball joint wear, shock absorber fatigue, and uneven tire wear. Solution? Upgrade to heavy-duty shocks if towing regularly. Rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. Inspect suspension annually if used commercially. A truck used like a truck needs maintenance like a work machine, not a sedan.
Let's imagine two owners. Owner A buys a 2027 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country. He follows factory intervals strictly, changes oil at vetted miles, never updates software manually, uses regular gas, ignores early transmission hesitation. At 80,000 miles, transmission feels rough, engine develops lifter noise, battery dies unexpectedly, resale value drops due to documented issues. Now, owner B, same truck, but changes oil every 5,000 miles, updates software immediately, services transmission early, replaces battery preventively, uses tow haul mode properly. At 80,000 miles, smooth shifting, no engine noise, strong resale value, lower total ownership cost. Same truck, different mindset. Modern trucks reward proactive owners. The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is not a bad truck. In fact, it's one of the most capable full-size pickups competing directly with the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500. But here's the truth. It's no longer a simple mechanical truck. It's a rolling computer. And rolling computers require informed ownership. If you want a low-maintenance truck you barely think about, you might need to reconsider modern full-size pickups entirely. But if you're willing to maintain it proactively, update software, monitor battery health, and shorten service intervals, the 2027 Silverado 1500 can be an excellent long-term truck. My recommendation, best for owners who tow regularly, drivers comfortable with technology, people who maintain vehicles proactively. Not ideal for drive-it-and-forget-it owners, buyers stretching budget to afford it, those planning 200,000 miles with minimal upkeep. The biggest problem with the 2027 Silverado 1500 isn't mechanical. It's expectations. If you treat it like a modern performance machine, it will reward you. If you treat it like a 1995 pickup, it may punish you. And that's the difference. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing, because next, we're comparing the Silverado 1500 to its biggest rival, and the results might surprise you.